All right, welcome to the vlog again. We're gonna be stream fishing a brook.
Different creek this time, boys.
Yep.
It's gonna be a blast. Bye, Louie.
Nice. Small kayaks, huh? Fish that by the log, quick. No, the log. Oh, I just had one. I got one. Small. Joe, I got one. Look at him. Got one. Another little guy. When we get more up the stream, it should get better for trout, so we're gonna try more of that. Got one. It's a better one. Trout, it's a trout. Yeah, a rainbow. It's a rainbow trout, yeah. Nice rainbow. Beautiful. Bye, buddy. A little spinner. I got another one. Smallmouth. That's pretty cool. All right, so we're a good ways up the stream now, and we caught a bunch of little smallmouth and one rainbow trout right back there. We kind of fell off of the kayaks and lost a bunch of shit in the water, so that's that. But we're gonna continue on and see what happens. Not a little one. Got another one. So many little ones. Good. Another big one? Jeez, that's a good one.
Holy shit. What's that? Sorry, buddy. I wonder if a big one will bite that.
Yeah, they will.
Definitely.
Look at this guy will destroy that.
Come on.
Good fight.
Oh yeah.
We all grab him.
Oh yeah.
I was hooked you so bad.
Ooh, fish.
Got fucking Larry the lobster on here.
The GoPro's about to die. Want me to hold the rod?
I got it.
Hold this one so you can see.
Any big smallmouth.
Nice.
Yeah.
I just keep
Hold
throwing
him.
in the rocks and
Hold him.
Hold him.
It's a nice one.
Yeah, he looks messed up. See that?
Yeah. Release him.
There's none just like
What?
Put my bag of the car.
Oh, my bad. What's on the bottom of his neck? Yeah.
Yeah. Ugh. Gross. Fish have diseases in there.
Hold him up sideways. Nice.
I want to get close to that thing.
God, that's a good size for the stream. Release him.
Ugh.
GoPro's dead, so I can't film me catch them anymore. So we did pretty good. A bunch of smallmouth and trout, rainbow trout. We're gonna do a lot more of this kind of content, so subscribe and see you in the next one.